Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Android features to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to share a Wi-Fi password on Android in 2025. With Android's continuous updates, sharing passwords has become even more seamless, perfect for when you're hosting friends or setting up devices quickly. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest version. 2025 brings enhanced security and user-friendly options. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app. It's usually that gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Next, scroll down and tap on Network and Internet. This section manages all your connectivity options. Once you're there, select Internet or Wi-Fi, depending on your device's interface. You'll see a list of available networks. Tap on the one you're currently connected to. Now, look for the Share button. In 2025, Android has made this prominent. It's often right next to the network details. You might need to authenticate with your device's security, like a fingerprint, face scan, or PIN, to ensure only you can share it. This adds an extra layer of protection. After authentication, you'll get options to share the password. The most common way is via a QR code. Just hold your phone up for the other device to scan it. Alternatively, if you're sharing with another Android user nearby, you can use the Nearby Share feature, which is faster than ever. Once shared, the recipient can connect instantly without typing in a long password. That's it, simple and secure. Remember, always be cautious when sharing Wi-Fi to protect your network. If you run into issues, like the share option not appearing, double-check your software updates or restart your device. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay connected.